Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Discord lag when playing games. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up Discord. Now go to the bottom left, click on User Settings. Now scroll all the way down until you find Game Overlay. Alright, so in here, just disable overlays as well as the Enable Legacy Overlay. Disable it. And this one as well, the Enable Overlay Clickable Regions. Disable it. Now, once that's done, go ahead over to the left panel as well. Go to Developer. You can disable Developer Mode. Okay, I'm not going to do it because I'm currently using it. So disable it. And then once that's done, go ahead over to Voice and Video. And then here we are going to scroll down. All the way down. And then here under Advanced and Show Diagnostic Settings, click on it. Make sure that Stream Info Overlay is disabled, Diagnostic Audio Recording, as well as Debug Logging is disabled. Click on OK and it will restart your Discord app. All right, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead and test it out. If it still lags, go back to Settings. Go ahead over to the left panel once more and find Appearance under Experience. Click on it, scroll all the way down until you find the advanced section. If yours is enabled, try to turn it off. And if yours is disabled, try to enable it. Okay? Again, if yours is enabled, try to disable it. And if yours is disabled, try to enable it. And it will then go ahead and restart your Discord app. And after that, everything should work perfectly fine now. So that is it. That is how you fix Discord lag when playing games. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.